So we did quantum today on the submental area on a patient today. So the nice thing about quantum in the submental place, meaning under the chin and the neck, is that you can see some nice tightening of the tissues here very, very quickly. You can actually see some of these things literally overnight. But of course, it takes a little while to see the full results. It's anywhere from like 3 months or up to even 6 months to see a final result. But it's perfect for a patient like the one we did today, where they have a little bit of laxity and a little bit of subcutaneous tissue, meaning a little extra tissue. If you're very, very lean or have a lot of loose skin but not fat, probably there's other things you can do, such as like truly like a facelift or even Morpheus. But when you have like that little bit of extra volume and some laxity, quantum's gonna really be a home run. So the great thing about this procedure is, as you can see, this patient awake. All we had to do is numb her. We injected a little numbing medicine under the skin called tumescent. We can go through the skin in little teeny punctures behind the ear and one under the chin and treat that entire area within a few minutes. And the whole treatment took like 15 minutes, including the numbing. She does not need any other pain medication for the procedure, and the chance of needing anything afterwards is very, very small. We do recommend a little bit of compression for a few days afterwards just to maximize the outcome. The downtime is very minimal, and most people look presentable by the next day or potentially 2 days later at worst. So once she's fully healed and she sees the final result, what she's going to notice is a tighter, more defined submental area, meaning her jawline and the line underneath her jaw here will be more defined. The angle from the side will be better, more crisp. She'll have less laxity here and less fullness all throughout this entire area, which is obviously a very nice look.